Alright, I just left the mall. Well, I'm in the mall. Just now leaving. Going to Target, or Tag Rat, if you saw that backwards. Apparently my ring size is a 10.5. I don't know if that's a fat fucking finger or what, but sometimes I feel like a fat finger. So, Mad Dog going to toy section. Woo! Bullshit, bullshit. I'm gonna cut through the bras. Oh yeah. God, it's the worst thing. It's like hearing kids cry. You're like, I don't want to deal with that shit. I hope my kid's born like with no mouth. Sorry about my hair, yo. It's just fucking work shit. Just, you know, got that big ass forehead. Stop looking at me, Swan. Oh boy, getting close to the toys. Fucking look like I work here, don't I? Hey, welcome to Target. I hope you find something. Girl shit. Girl shit. Hot Wheels. Turtles. Star Wars. WWE, boy. It's the one. See what they got here. So I got a Tito Santana. Oh, that's kind of cool. Undertaker. Irwin. A bunch of bullshit. Tyson Kidd. Bo Leave. Just don't know if I want that defining moments Undertaker. Might have been a defining moment for his career, but you know, just not for my lifetime. Well, that's it. Well, you know. Oh, wait a minute, daggone, looks like Ric Flair, man, a bunch of bullshit, man. Nope. Well, today's a bust. But, you know, it's cool because I really can't afford it till payday. But, you know, I'll talk to you later. Mad Dog out. Keep doing whatever makes you feel awesome.